Well, Marshmallow is kind of not marshy enough. So we're going to have to microwave him. Dun dun dun. Do you have any last words to say, little Marshmallow? Ah! Okay. Okay, everyone, say goodbye to the little Marshmallow. Bye. That was never mind. Okay, so we're now going to microwave the marshmallow. I can see my reflection. Okay, we're good. We're gonna do 20 seconds because I really don't want him to explode. We just want him to melt. So, everyone ready?
20 seconds.
Oh! Wow, that took a total of 6 seconds. We're gonna see how is he still alive? Are you breathing? Oh, Marshmallow! Oh, Marshmallow! Oh, snap, it's hot! Oh my gosh, wait, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it! Don't touch it, shh, shh, shh. Shh, I'm alone in the kitchen, just kidding. Little Marshmallow. Oh, his face melted into the paper plate. That's so funny. But yeah, I guess I'll have to have a funeral now. But thank you for watching Julie's Marshmallow video.